1, 2, 3. I want pa this Reza. 1, 2, 3, go! 18 days before graduation! Woo! So, sa'yo maingon ni mo sa imong makagraduate ba ka?
Oh, good. Makagraduate ko kay once ni bayad ng tuition graduate na dyan na.
Wow, graduate na gina.
Ano ba makali-defense sa...
Graduate na nagapon. Graduate na na.
Kay... Kurta pa.
Ikaw maka-graduate mo?
Business is business.
Basin. Ang tagbawalaan pa din, no?
So, mo ni ang cost of Severa A? Severa A pa? Ay, okay, kay 5K po na ba?
Ay.
Let's introduce ourselves based on our class. Di ba kita ba doon kinay class position?
Oh, Rambo. Sige. Last na Mr. Picture. Ikaw to, mabalabay ka to. Di, so...
Ayun, nagod isumpay, nagod kay...
Dito na ganito, vlogger. Ganito. Vlogger.
Pwede na akong motak?
The non-uniform.
Hi guys! I'm Mary Chris.
Alas.
I'm the class president. Roar. And this, I will pass this to the vice. With Mogo.
Rar! Kas Vice President.
Isa yung secretary.
Prince Charming. Prince Charming.
Hello, secretary. Hello, paningil. Ay, paningil na mo. Pamayad na mo, treasurer, auditor.
Hello guys. Yeah.
Auditor. Sunod. Sir John. Hoy, Surgeon. Dali.
Surgeon.
Na hi, I'm Surgeon. Ganon.
Hi, I'm Sergeant.
Tarong nga sa iPhone user.
Hi, I'm Sergeant. iPhone, ha? Samsung, oh.
It is humble. So I'll pass this to our muse.
Tigopin naman sila. Ay, hi, ako ang muse nga sa buhay. Surgeon.
Pass this to the ugliest person in.
Ano sa'yo yun?
I am Prince.
I'm Prince Charming. Pinagagwapo sa Grace.
Pakita sa ang pinakagwapo. Uy, naka-edit ako. Ito mo ano.
Kayo daw, kayo daw.
Okay.
Out!
So, Kine, what's your best memory here on Grace?
Grace, dili pa niya sumino.
Here on Grace, Grace. So, ay, as a class, what's your favorite ninyo?
Bikugan si Neil. Kapag
Kung ga-open forum eh. Oh, part 1 nga open forum.
Oh, the best.
Pinakalit nga open forum. Swimming nga po.
Open forum. Wala ko atong pag-swimming.
Kutong Christmas decorating, garang pa to. Core memory to lang, garang pa to siya.
Yeah. O katong sa City Hall.
Oh, the film! Napakawag serious si Sir.
Uy, kamo ba kay galahi? Mundo ha, mura man mo. Di Marley ka, oy. So, what's your best memory na to as a class?
Ha? Ano sa'yo, best memory? Kuhan, katong naligo sa tubig dako.
Kato, naa siya.
Family Beach po.
Kato, Uy, katong kakuha ka
Kasabay
sa
sungay.
Wala na Shayna to. Si Shayna yung
Gano'n
Si Raiza.
Gano'n mo dito? Kung ka di kuyog, malamang.
Naaming unom.
Sinilad daw,
Naming unom, tas ang ikaputo, aputo. Ikapito kay si Jonas.
Oo, siya ni man to. Wala ko si Wayway.
Bra, lag, bra. Yes,
Uy, doon daw mo, oy.
Sa Samsung J, sa S.
Uy, doon daw mo.
Sige, ganyan.
S7 Prime, sa
Mark! Sa'yo mong best memory sa class?
The drama.
Ayaw ko to. Ay, ko to ba ni Sneak?
Hey.
Tadiri ko to manghilo to sa room ito.
Hello?
All the bad things we've done.
We are the bad
Dili ka na sa tawanan ka nang
Worst class?
Di ka na mo ano ba kanito musud sa usa ka bay? Ninja.
Trespasser?
Oh, dili trespasser ka na bitang.
Bakit bahay gang?
Uy, gimingaw ko atong overnight ilamay nya dagan kay.
Yeah.
Ito ka TikTok sige nagpaon.
Katong gipaungan, minimog suga.
Uy, naman si Dion po na to, di ba?
Party shot!
Gusto ko.
Si Riza, what is her best memory?
Yeah, what's your best
Yeah, mo to katong Christmas o katong nagpractice ta para kuan Filipino ba to sa ila ka may Filipino? Ay, oh, theater di ay theater. Oh, yes, UCSB. Ay, UCSB ba to? Oh,
Sipar.
So guys, exam na mo ron guys. Uso mo ni pag-answer guys ka. Awala ko na. Dara mong mga tunanan niya. Wala may gaton. Igora may gachika.
Gather ang
Gather ang information.
Daga na ka siya gather nga data.
Uy, pang ano na, pang
Gabi ni siya gato.
Ikaw na kayo pagpakitang tao na na.
Pagpakitang tao.
Oh, yeah.
Tas perfect siya. Sa kanya pa lang study na
Si
siya.
Renzi na, Queen of Bible. Oh, nana, nini, bato-bato mo.
Kaya pa topik mo.
Tulog. Kaba mo eh.
Okay. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and... Huwag gimingaw po ko itong ira. Ira atong grade 11 na to ba?
Tulog sa kutong ang tubig ay ginto.
O like, tatag ng wikang
Pilipino
Pilipino.
ka nagakwan. Sa ubos sa grade 10. Katong dito tagba ko sa kay tingog.
Spy,
Mga spy, niya yung
Puto dos bay. Indot ito nga to ah.
Kita yung nagawin
Lista innovation ba ito sila ma'am daddy.
Indot magit ko na to ah. Ito lang. Pero mas indot lang hit ko nila ah. Pero, yeah, mostly idea to kay
Debat ko.
Tatag. Uy, gasigan juga tong, di ba ato kay tatag ng wika, tatag, ano to? Lakas ang pika Pilipino. Ang wika, ang wika, ang wika. Di ba nga na to?
Hindi nanawag mother dear. Agay.
Oh, shh.
Magasa.
Okay.
With the mother dear.
To the mother dear.
The mother.
Oh. Kita ning inahan.
Amo ka!
This is our mother.
Di ba day?
Uy!
Oy! Uy! Si Uy!
Ma'am. Ugma. Okay. Bal! Wala pa Karel? Karel.
Hello. So tabay sa classroom kay actually igang siya sa gawas.
Gonna be, I heard back, Tommy J.
Inside. So dami. This is a vlog takeover.
For the first time, watch
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. Vlog takeover. 1, 2, 3, go. Vlog takeover. So we are the ABMers.
Uy, for the first time, wala yung load na tong hotspot.
Wala, tayo load. Nagka-byron nun, guys. Di rin ako gano'n pa.
Uy, ga-break, line na, ga-breakout school.
Idol na to itong mga o. Hindi makita si Neo. Mo take over na po siya. Dara ang original vlogger. Promote your vlog!
Hey guys, I wanted to Usa ka nino dapat in the future kay in reunion na to kay dapat ato ni kuan ni kana watching the old vlog.
Watching the old vlog.
Yeah. Pati itong katong Pasko ba? 5 years from now, where are we?
In a table, the reunion.
Nagtatrabaho, nag-apply, nagtatrabaho. Di, freshly
Di, what
graduated
if-
pa uwi from
What if
college.
they magtrabaho na nato una, di ba? Like, matlan. My plan.
Stripper!
Uy, ba't nasa akong vlog? Dili na.
Goodbye guys! I will be in Canada and Switzerland for the next year. Naka-income.
Expensive, maguta.
Ang level.
Guys, man ito mag-open for.
Hello, Raiza.
Mag-text na tao na.
Bitaw.
What is the...
Saling.
What was the point in your life that you decided to switch on your courses na? When we were grade, we're counseling.
Gabi, I'll be
Sabi na punta ko dahil.
smoking out the window.
There.
Smoking out the window.
Have you ever
Say,
worked?
how could you do this to me?
When was the point you started to feel like, business is not for me? Like, when we were grade 11, you were into
Yes.
business. You're like really into business.
Yes.
You love business, right?
Yes.
So that's why I'm asking you right now, what's the turning point in your life?
Okay, so my turning point in my life, since I had the interest when I was grade 11, since grade 7, that I would be pursuing business. So, last semester, I got discouragement because of
Lack of knowledge.
lack of knowledge. So, I tried to find another way to find my real pathway. So, I chose psychology.
Please don't disturb this
Meeting?
occasion.
Okay.
Interview?
Yes, this is a counseling.
Please be quiet. Okay, so continue with your talk.
So, that's how I chose psychology and not business.
That's very reasonable.
Yeah.
Since you don't want hard way, but both are hard way.
Yeah.
Because you didn't encounter biology and chemistry, biology. Can you please be quiet because we have counseling here?
Look at the boundaries. Guys,
Please
you're
mind your boundaries. We have a counseling here.
Okay.
Wait for your turning point.
Yes, yes.
Can you please be quiet? Counseling needs to be. Oh, you shut up.
We have an open
Yeah,
so that's why it's very
quiet. Quiet. Noisy. About your happiness.
the stick hunt.
This is for my iPad. You know.
The pen.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But you can also use in
Mac?
here.
Okay.
I have that. You can see it. What's your plan after graduation? After graduation and after the summer, of course, we need to study again. So what's your plan entirely, like in summer, in college, and after college?
So first of all,
Please make it shorter.
so after the graduation, I will be celebrating with my class and with my family. Yeah. Why are you?
I'm listening. I'm writing it down here.
And during the summer, during June, I will be having a summer job together with my friend, classmate, batchmate, schoolmate, Renzi Hapos. And after college, before college, I will be spending my summer together with
Mom Jem.
And after college, I will be pursuing.
During college, please.
During college, I will spend time to pursue my
What's your what course do you want to pursue?
psychology, as I said a while ago. Yeah. So after that, I would be pursuing doctoral degree
it's great.
Yeah.
Because you have a plan,
Yeah.
and you have the dream. And, well, I'm being honest here, because unlike me, I don't have any plan.
Okay.
So, like, what's the plan? What's the catch? Anyway, so, I love it.
Anyway,
I love the plan.
But I don't like that. Nangangatulog-tulog, hindi mo yung Angelina.
You really have the passion of
Yeah.
being a cycle cheese. And
the pen is Gikit Kip.
because I have and you're good. Actually, you're good.
Yeah.
And I think it's not impossible to make your dream come true. And it's not impossible to make those things happen. Your plans, as long as you ask strength, the
Yeah.
one who is strengthable.
Strengthable.
Well, the one who is in control of everything. So yeah.
Sa Human Dictionary.
You.
So
What's the point?
here?
You have
what's the
another
catch?
customer.
No.
Customer.
Another
Princess,
customer. Maybe you should stop this. You like because you're smart. Okay ba ka? Si Brian.
Outsider talking. You grab chair. You go here.
Wait.
Before, no! You grab chair before you sit here.
I think we need to turn that off.
Yeah, okay. We might upload it.